Don't throw away old Christmas baubles. You can turn them into an impressive decoration. Start by preparing a round base, preferably wooden, which will serve as the foundation for the entire arrangement. Then choose baubles in 2 sizes. Take a soldering iron and make 2 small holes on opposite sides of each bauble. Prepare long wooden skewers and slide the baubles onto them. Apply hot glue to the end of the stick and attach it to the base. Arrange the baubles one by one, alternating large and small until the entire surface of the base is covered. This will create a shiny, festive wreath that looks just like a ready-made decoration from a store. Once the base is ready, place a jar or a low vase in the center. Fill it with spruce branches, rowan berries, or any plants you like. Natural additions will give the decoration freshness and a holiday scent. Your bauble vase is ready. You can place it on a table, sideboard, or windowsill. It's a simple but highly effective way to bring warmth and festive magic into your home. Few people know this trick. Take a ribbon, place it on the window handle, wrap it around and cross the ends. One goes underneath, the other over the top. Tie the ribbon in the middle with a knot, lower the handles, and that's it. You have the perfect bow. From now on, wrapping gifts will be so much easier. Place it on the windowsill. Water and condensation won't settle on the window panes. This adorable ornament will help eliminate moisture. Plus, it looks absolutely charming. Grab a white sock and turn it inside out. Trim the end with scissors. Tie the sock's end using thread. Make a couple of knots to make sure it stays put. Turn the sock right side out. Get some white rice ready. Pour it into the sock. Rice is an excellent moisture absorber. Additionally, it tackles unpleasant odors. Once the sock is filled, tie the top with thread. Then, shape it into 2 balls, holding it in the middle with your hand. The upper ball should be smaller than the one at the bottom. Take some thread and tie it in the middle. Take a long piece of red fabric and tie it in the middle. This will be a small scarf. Take a colorful sock and cut a piece off. Place it on top of the sock to create a little hat. Prepare some black and red pins. Attach the red pin in the middle and 2 black ones on the sides to form eyes and a nose. Insert 3 black pins into the bottom ball. they'll look like buttons. This charming sock snowman will make a delightful holiday decoration. Creating it is as easy as child's play, and kids absolutely love it. Plus, just place it on the windowsill to solve any window-related issues. In winter, windows often collect water, leading to mold. The rice inside the snowman effectively absorbs excess moisture around the window. No one will guess that this ornament has such a practical purpose. This festive snowman is a moisture absorber that looks beautiful and costs next to nothing.
Do this with the Christmas tree trunk before placing it in the stand. The tree will stay fresh longer and won't shed needles. This trick was revealed to me by a forester. Use a pen to mark 3 crosses on the trunk. If the trunk is thicker, you can use more crosses. It's important that they are evenly spaced. Often, Christmas trees are cut a few weeks earlier, and you can see on the trunk that it has started to dry out slightly. You should trim 2 centimeters off the trunk. However, there is a better way to do it. Prepare a drill. It's important that the drill bit is thick. Lay the tree down. Drill holes in the previously marked spots. Each hole should be about 4 centimeters deep. Why drill these holes? After buying a tree, we often don't check the condition of the trunk. It's often slightly dried out already. Thanks to the drilled holes, the trunk will better absorb water. A regular household drill is sufficient. Place the prepared tree in the stand, and it's ready. It will look fresher for a longer time. Needles won't fall as quickly, and the branches will be firmer. Christmas tree stands have a function that most people forget about. That's why their trees quickly shed needles. They have screws to support the trunk. However, its interior plays an equally important role. It turns out to be airtight. The container where the trunk is placed also serves as a water reservoir. It should be filled before putting up the tree and topped up once a week so that the tree has a constant supply of water. Water is responsible for the firmness and freshness of the branches. Many people forget that there should be water in the stand. This causes the Christmas tree to quickly droop and shed needles. Do you use this feature of the stand? Insert coins into this place, and the tree will look beautiful. This grandma's trick will keep the tree fresh longer. Remember it on the day you bring the tree home. Before placing it in the stand, throw 1 item into it. It's about copper coins. Literally, a few pieces are enough. Copper destroys harmful bacteria, germs, microorganisms, pathogens, mold, fungi, and viruses. Such coins thrown into the water will keep its freshness longer. The likelihood of the tree trunk rotting will be lower. Let me know how much you paid for your tree this year. Write the city and the price in the comments. Cut off a few branches from your Christmas tree. You'll be shocked at what you can do with them. Take pruning shears and cut off a few small branches. Literally, a few are enough. They won't be noticeable on the tree, and it turns out they have a brilliant use at home. Cut the branches into smaller pieces with pruning shears. Prepare a large jar. It should be sterilized and clean. Place the branches in it. They should fill the entire jar. Then, prepare a liter of alcohol. Pour it over the needles. Close the jar and let it sit for 2 weeks. During this time, the mixture will change color. The vinegar will absorb the needles. Prepare a strainer and strain the liquid. Then, pour it into a spray bottle. Finally, add 1 branch for decoration. This solution is excellent for cleaning mirrors, bathrooms, and even floors. It leaves no streaks, disinfects, and smells beautiful. It has natural cleaning and stain-removing properties. It helps eliminate unpleasant odors.